Hello, everyone. Today, we are diving into the world of social media marketing. If you're wondering about the different platforms to boost your business, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, we have the giant of them all, Facebook. With over 2.8 billion monthly active users, it's a powerhouse for reaching a diverse audience. Use Facebook for targeted ads, engaging content, and building a community around your brand. Next on the list is Instagram. Perfect for visually appealing content, Instagram boasts 1 billion users. Leverage its photo and video features to showcase your products or services creatively. Don't forget the power of Instagram stories and reels for a dynamic marketing approach. Now, on to Twitter. With its real-time updates and trending topics, Twitter is excellent for quick interactions and staying relevant. Connect with your audience through concise and engaging tweets, and don't shy away from utilizing hashtags to increase visibility. For a more professional touch, there's LinkedIn. With over 700 million users, it's the go-to platform for B2B marketing. Share industry insights, connect with professionals, and establish your brand as an authority in your field. Last but certainly not least, we have YouTube. As the second largest search engine globally, it's an incredible platform for video content. Create tutorials, product demos, or engaging vlogs to capture your audience's attention. So there you have it, a quick overview of some key social media platforms for marketing. But wait, there's more. If you want personalized guidance on how to tailor these strategies to your business, we're offering a free consultation. Ready to take your social media marketing to the next level? Click the link below to schedule your free consultation now. Let's elevate your brand together. Thank you for watching, and remember, the key to successful marketing is staying connected. See you in the free consultation.